Hey girl with the big foot. Hey, listen what me said. No. Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot. Hey, go up on the bed. Oh. Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet. Yeah. Me know say you see it. Your big toe need no 2 row of seat. Big foot. Yeah. Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in the street. Hey big foot.
The guy they need maintenance. Everybody was rich. Give me the rich dance. Rich. When we say last name, I want so what is first name? Real. So what is last name? Switch.
Your vagina plus my body equals 6 black baby. Keep working. In the street,
That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what you would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Kartel. Peace.